So, welcome to the Quantum High School organization, Quantum Computing for Beginners, and it's basically made for everyone who don't have any previous knowledge on linear algebra, quantum computing, and quantum mechanics, and other hard stuff. We made it really easy, and today we are not going to wait. Someone joined. Okay. Today we are not going to talk about quantum computing, but we are going to start with our notebooks so that you can get familiar with what type of education we will give, and from the day two we will teach quantum mechanics and quantum the codings of quantum computing. So you probably thinking, who am I? I am a high school student who loves coding, quantum computing, music, physics, math, painting, and more. I enjoy learning and teaching new things, and my favorite animal is ant. So we made a study material of our own, so that many high school, I have heard that they don't know. Many high school students don't know linear algebra, multi hard calculus, and they fear that they cannot make quantum computing. But to initialize this journey, we really don't need any linear algebra for now, but I will highly recommend you to study linear algebra and calculus after this course. So right now we are going to, and this notebook is completely free, and we also want you to look this notebook and see if you want to add something new, and if you want to do something, and we highly recommend you to find any errors or typos, or if you have any recommendation on how to improve this material, then please make a issue on the GitHub, and we will contribute there. Okay. So this is our workshop schedule. The day one is basically the introduction and installation, how we are going to code, and what software we are going to use for our material and assignments. And the day two is all about quantum mechanics, some basics. So there is no equation. We don't need any hard mathematics for that. We are basically going to teach simple quantum mechanics. So from day three, it's going to be pretty much exciting, because I'm going to teach the fundamental of quantum computing, and also I'm going to teach the fundamental of quantum gates, and I'm going to teach you how to code them and implement them in software, so that you can make your own quantum circuits. And don't worry, it's going to be really easy. Don't and yeah. So from day four is really important, because I'm going to introduce and also teach you how to how quantum algorithms works, and also we'll teach you how to run a real life quantum computer. We can run a real life IBM computer from IBM quantum experience. We're going to teach that from there. So certificates, we have two certificates, one for participation and one for excellence. So whoever get 3 out of 4 classes, whoever joined 3 out of 4 classes will have the participation certificate, and whoever scores 50% or higher, then they will receive a certificate of excellence. And We also gonna publish our assignments daily, and it will be creative, and don't worry about it. It won't be too hard, but it won't be too easy. So let's start our today's class, and today I am going to show how to install VS Code, and how to use the Python on VS Code, and also teach you how to install Qiskit. Also, I will show you how to use our notebooks, and also quantum IBM quantum experience. Also, I'm at the last. I will listen to everyone's question, and also try to answer them, and I will also debug as everyone's code if someone faces any problem. So first of all, we are going to install VS Code. First, we are going to Google, type VS Code. Do we run this code in Python? We basically go run. There's two options: start debugging, without debugging. If we start debugging, it will mention of where the code have got error, and if we don't without, then it will run just normally. So yes, it will show hello world here. So that's how we can ensure that Python is connected with VS Code. So how do we know that if Python is installed or not? So we are going to search cmd, open command prompt. Okay, command prompt. My laptop, my god. Okay, can you see my command prompt here? You can give a thumbs up if you can see it. Okay, so okay. So here, how do we know that if the Python is installed or not? We have to type Python space and double hash version, and then enter. It will mention the version we installed in our laptop. So yeah, it's working. So right now, we are going to introduce to our notebook. So how do we install that? So I have posted the notebook at our let it work. It's bugging. Discord. Okay. Mm, So I have posted the notebook in the information section. So if you click on that link, you can see this page. Uh, And now, or you can give a star here. It helps algorithm to figure out codes. And now we have to download the zip. So how can we download this whole notebook? We have to click on code, then we have to click download zip. So it will download it. I already have downloaded it. Then it will be at the download option. So we have to extract the file. So we have to click show more options, then we have to click extract here or wherever you want. Okay, so we have extracted the okay, extracted the this notebook. Now we are going to open our notebook. How can we open our notebook? At first we have to click file. We have to go open folder, not file, open folder. Then we have to select the folder we have extracted. Okay, okay. So this is our notebook. If you enter the intro dot ipynb, you can see our notebook. It's already here. So here we have wrote all the codes and how to code quantum code and basics of quantum mechanics and some codings here. You can click here and go to the any chapter you want. Okay, you can see that you can access to any chapter you want. So we will be teaching this notebook from tomorrow, I mean next class. So but you might face a many problem because you haven't installed you have installed the Qiskit yet. How do we install Qiskit? So there are several way to install Qiskit. Sorry, there are several way to install Qiskit. We can install Qiskit from our command prompt. So what we are going to type? We are going to type pip install Qiskit, Qhit, Qiskit. So it will, I have already installed Qiskit, so it will show it's satisfied all the requirements. And after that we have to install qiskit.aer. Why we have to install that? Because it allows us to use IBM's as, simulators to compile the quantum circuit we are going to use. So how do you install that? Pip install qiskit aer. So it will install all the libraries and basic codes for all the what's it called, simulation and simulation. So it's installing it. The another way we can download it from our VS Code. So how do you install that? We have to click terminal, new terminal. Then it will open it a terminal in the in this folder. Now we have to type pip install Qiskit. So it installed the Qiskit here, and pip install Qiskit a, mm, aer. It installed every uh, code we needed. Then let's see how it works. So this is the chapter we are going to teach in our later classes, but for now we are going to show how the this notebook works. So if we want to run this section, we have to run it from the first cell. Cannot run it from line 5 to line 1. We have to maintain the sequence. So whenever you write a code, you have to maintain the sequence. So yeah, let's see. We are running the code. If everything is okay, yeah, it's running. So it created an Xgate, and it will show it will show a blocks player, probably, hopefully. So you might be wondering why we are talking about Qiskit and what is Qiskit. So Qiskit is basically a software that helps us to understand quantum computing, just and also allows us to run our quantum circuit in simulators and real life IBM computers, quantum computers. And it also allows us to write programs and make it simple, and also it allows us to type all the codings in a classical computer, and we can input the value at the like it's connecting a classical computer to a quantum computer, and allowing us to use that quantum computer. It's basically like giving you permission to use a quantum computer, and you can make lots of algorithms, or make a quantum circuit that will help you to make awesome stuff. So it also allows you to work with qubits, so you can play with lots of possibilities. But don't worry about that, we will teach that from next class. It's basically we are teaching how to install everything. So think see it showed the blocks player here, and also we can see how it moves. So it's get made the 0 qubit to 1 qubit, so you can see the animation here. Okay, so now we are going to IBM quantum experience. So why is that? Because why not? So we are going to enter IBM quantum experience. So I googled IBM quantum experience. You can see at the first link, you can see the it's here. We have to type here, and it you have to create an account before entering here. It's easy, and if you find difficulties, you can ping me at the Discord. I will help you to create a IBM quantum experience account. So in this account, if you don't have if you don't have a VS Code, you can go to the IBM Quantum Lab, and it will help you to okay, launch server. mm, it's launching. It will take time. So if you don't have VS Code, it will help you to operate. See, yeah, it started. So it will help you to code your quantum circuit at here. So starting. Pi 3. Okay, select. Yes. So here you can see all the necessary libraries are already imported. You don't have to import things here. So okay, I'm going to write. You can write your code from here. And there's also another feature. It's called IBM Quantum Composer, where you don't have to code. You can just basically make your drag and drop any gates you want, and you can make any gate you want to create. So yep, like this. So here you can see the q spare. It shows the all the possibilities and position of qubits. And here you can see all the values of the values and probabilities of all the qubits. Don't worry about that. We will teach what's happening uh, on later classes. So okay, that goes IBM experience. So if you have any question, or if you face any bugs, you can ask me now. Think you can turn on your mic and ask me question, if you don't understand my class, so can collaborate on it. Hmm, anyone? Yeah, yeah, you can. Mm, you can ask question.
Um, I think might have made a mistake somewhere, but like when I was trying to download Qiskit
Hmm.
on the VS Code, every time I write pip install Qiskit, it isn't accepting the command.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm. Can you share your screen? Or
sure.
okay. Let me. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Hmm. So what is the problem?
So every time I'm on PowerShell, like when I
Oh, I think it's go to the command prompt.
uh, right
Okay. Type kiss something.
this.
Yeah. Pip is not. I think it's a problem with Python. Have you installed Python?
Yeah, I've already also added the extension. I have it downloaded as well.
Okay. Did you follow all this step, like adding what it's called, adding the path, and also
Yeah,
make sure. Hmm.
yeah, I followed all those steps as you were showing them.
Okay. So pip is not recognized, it's mean pip is not installed. So can you uninstall your python and also run it again?
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll try that.
Okay. Anyone facing any problem like that, this? Okay, I'm sharing the screen and showing the page. Okay, can you see my screen? You can unmute yourself and can talk.
Yeah, I hope you can see.
Okay, so make sure you edit the path and go to the customize installation, installing installation.
Okay, yeah, I think it was a problem in the download. Like I'm modifying the program and now it's adding it. I think.
Hmm. Okay, can you re-download it and first uninstall the Python and delete the exe file and download the Python finder again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think I should also show you because okay, why not? So after installing it, it will start. Then add path, customize. Then I have to make sure everything is checked. Then I click next. Then I will for all users. You have to make sure that it's for all users, and then install. Yep. So it's installing Python 3.12. It will take time because my PC laptop is slow. It's not my laptop. I'm using another.
All right. Now it works. I have it. It's working now. Thanks.
Okay. Did the pip Qiskit did can you download the Qiskit?
Yeah. The command worked. It's downloading now.
Okay. What was the problem?
I think it was the installation of Python. I might have missed something.
Okay. So yeah.
Thanks.
If anyone facing the same problem or any other problem installing, you can do it right now. Or if you want me to repeat all the process again, I can do it again. Anyone? If everyone is okay, then give a thumbs up. So basically, okay. So basically, from the next class, we are going to teach the real thing, like how quantum mechanics work. Right now, for now, we are just showing how to install our notebooks, so that so that you can read the notebook before you join the class, and we can have more interactive class from then. And we will also assign some quizzes and also some fun codings to you. And if you score 50% or up, then you will get a certification on excellencies. And mm, yeah, and don't forget to give a start to our notebook. It also it helps. So yeah. mm, have a great day. It's uh, mm, that's all for now. And thank you, O'Neill, to stay with us. He is our founder, and I'm the vice president of this organization. And hope we will improve our uh, uh, workshop from with you guys. Thank you.